Magandang araw po. Ito po ang Tayo Church. Ngayong taon ay nagdaos kami ng unang Thanksgiving worship service at naranasan namin ang biyaya ng Diyos sa paghandog ng pasasalamat. Sa espesyal na araw na ito, ang praise team na aming inihanda ng ilang buwan ay unang beses na tumayo sa harap ng kongregasyon upang purihin ang Diyos. Lubos kaming nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng nanalangin at sumuporta. Sa pagsamba ngayon ay naghandog sina Missionary Han Irium at Teacher Joanna ng awiting 10,000 Reasons.
It's time to sing your song again. Sing like never before. Oh, my soul, I worship your holy name. Rich in love and you're slow to anger. Your name is great and your heart is kind. For all your goodness I will keep on singing. 10,000 reasons for my heart to find. And on that day when my strength is failing, the end is near and my time has come. Still my soul will skip you, singing a praise in never before. Oh, my soul, I worship your holy name. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, sing like never before. Oh, my soul, I worship your holy name. I will worship your holy name. I will worship your holy
At ang mga inihandang awit ng praise team ay, una, God is so good. Ikalawa, every move make. Ikatlo, how great is our God. Bagamat ito ang unang pag-awit, nagkaroon sila ng lakas upang purihin ang Diyos dahil sa kanyang biyaya. Maraming salamat po.